Does your Dyson vacuum sound like this? Where it won't stay on when you're pulling the trigger? Most likely it's clogged. Here's how to fix it. So we're gonna take off the main part, and there's another red button here. So that's, oh, there you go. So that's the first thing you're gonna check. You're gonna look straight through the hole there and see if it's clogged in there. It's not, and ours actually popped right out of this. So you can see a big clump of hair. And then you'll wanna look down there as well, see if there's anything else. A good way is to look through here. We could see there's definitely some crap there. It's mainly just hair. So if we take that off, put that back on. Don't vacuum that up or you're gonna reclog it. And then, good as new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.